Good morning, children. Today we are going to begin with our fifth chapter, that is e-commerce. Okay, that is electronic commerce. In this, the topics are meaning of e-commerce, benefits of e-commerce over traditional, e-tailing, e-advertising, e-marketing, e-security, ERP and its modules. These are the topics which we are going to this chapter. Now let's begin with the first one, that is the meaning of e-commerce. E-commerce or electric commerce means buying and selling of goods, products or service over the internet. E-commerce is also known as electronic commerce or internet commerce. These services provided online. These services provide online over the internet network. Transactions of money, friends and funds and data are also considered as e-commerce. That is, what is e-commerce? Meaning is electronic commerce or any type of business which you do through computer network is known as e-commerce. Okay, and even the money, fund and all the informations can be easily transferred through e-commerce. Okay, like with one click you will come to know about whatever product you want. Just type in the Google and you get detailed information about it, about the product. You get variety of products, you know the price, you know the what are the colors and every detail. You get it in it through one click in a mobile, right? The best example is through which you can buy product is, you are very aware of, well aware of, is Flipkart, Amazon, okay. Now what are the benefits of e-commerce over traditional commerce? Global choice, that is your geographical area increases. You are not only doing business in one particular area, but it expands globally everywhere around. With one click you can just order for any product, right? Improved quality of service, because e-commerce is just the beginning. They want to acquire a good share of market, so their quality of service is really, they have to perform well so that they can capture the whole market. And the quality of work which they do is very systematic, and the things are in very pure form. Okay, the next point is mass customization or personalized product and services. That is, individual can automatically gather full information about each and individual product minutely. And I would tell you, nowadays, just to create a market, what Amazon and the other e-commerce industries, all these things are doing is what, children, like if you don't like the product, you can send it back and you get back the money, because they want to show how fast their service is, how good their service is, and how much they are bothered about the customers. Then you have shortened supply chain. Now it used to happen is, it used to come from the manufacturer to the wholesaler and to the customer, or wholesaler, you had the channel of distribution. Here it becomes easier, and next is low investment. Now when we talk about investment, the people, they don't have to apply much of investment as compared to the traditional. Okay, a small firm which are available, all the technologies. A small firm also will have the same internet technology as a big firm. So even if you have a small firm, if you have good contacts, if your product, your alignment is proper, then you can ultimately reach your products can ultimately reach your customers, and you can run your business. Now new product and services, it becomes very easy for the manufacturer or the people, those who want to sell their product, to introduce the new product in the market, because you keep on advertising about it through internet only. You can directly contact the customer, you can give detailed information about the new product. Convenience is, it is a 24/7 service. Anytime, anywhere, the buyers and the sellers can contact, and you can get information about the product. Paperless society, the best part is that, okay, The government can grant license and approval without much paperwork. Everything can be done without paperwork. Speedy, the work is very done in a great speed, On the internet, information can be exchanged at a click of a mouse. And this reduces the cycle time of transaction, right? These are some of the benefits which has forced e-commerce to take over traditional commerce, right? Now, how would you distinguish between traditional and e-commerce or e-business? Now, direct interaction. In traditional case, what happened? Direct interaction between buyers and the sellers. In e-commerce, you don't have. You just get connected through internet or web. Suitability, it is suitable for products needed to convenience to the customer. It is suitable for standard product, low product, whichever type, intangible, tangible, everything can be done through it. E-commerce. Now, identify verification. In traditional commerce, customers can verify the identity of the sellers and their physical location. But in case of e-commerce, customers cannot identify the seller. Who is the actual seller? Where is the location? Because you are only connected to them through internet. Then transaction processing. Transactions are processed manually. Here everything is done in the computer net manner. Okay, online. Everything is done online. The scope of business is generally limited to a particular region, and the scope of business is worldwide. The level of competition is generally low, and here, because of the wide scope of business, the level of competition is relatively very high. Okay, what are the questions? Define e-commerce. It will be a 2 marks question. Along with that, if it comes, benefits of e-commerce over traditional commerce, which we have already done. And then distinguish any 5 points between traditional and e-commerce. So you can write all this. This comes under 5 marks question. Right, children? Now, I request you again and again that all the chapters should be written, all the questions related to each topic should be written in your text, in your copy. Everybody, please consult the video and make the answers. That is sufficient. And if you have bought the book, then, or you are lucky enough if you have anybody else's book, you can make the question answers out of it.